It was a beautiful Saturday morning in Austin, Texas. Weather was calm and there was no wind. On that day I was flying my drone and the plan was simple. Fly it on the river, go past underneath the 360 bridge and go up to see a beautiful golf course next to the bridge. Something went wrong after the drone passed the bridge. As I tried to pull it up, the drone went under. I don't know, maybe I needed more coffee or it was too early in the morning or something wrong with the drone. But I'm so sad now. Anyway, here is the last video taken by my drone. Enjoy!